Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the account and permissions required to access backups. Sign in and grant storage access so files can be saved or restored. Once done, open the app's chat or backup settings and choose your backup destination, cloud or device. Make sure Wi-Fi backup is selected if you want to avoid data charges, and tap the immediate backup button to create a fresh copy before you proceed to extraction or transfer. You now select which conversations to retrieve and the export method that fits your goal. If you need full message history with images, include media. If you want compact text only, deselect media. Once you pick the destination, cloud drive, local storage, or an email archive, start the export and watch the progress indicator. Larger archives take longer. Make a note of the resulting file name and storage path, so you can find and move it later for rest. To finish, move the backup file to the device or cloud account that will receive messages, then open the app and use the restore function. Confirm your account details and choose the most recent timestamp. Once restored, verify key chats and media. If messages are missing, try restarting the app and running restore again. If issues persist, check that you have enough storage, the app versions match, and your network is stable. These fixes resolve most failed restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.